2 Islamically based reasons Jesus cannot replace CSD in the Quran. 1. The Quran claims perfect preservation of wording. The Quran explicitly states that its words are divinely preserved, not just meanings. Indeed, we have sent down the reminder, and surely we will preserve it. And Sureworded $6 says, replacing S with Jesus would alter the preserved text. The Quran does not endorse translation inside Revelation. Translations are human explanations, not Quran itself. Classical scholars agree. A translation of the Quran is not the Quran. Therefore, Jesus cannot replace S inside the text. Jesus is not an Arabic name. Jesus comes through Hebrew Greek. Isis Greek gives Latin, Latin gives English. The Quran was revealed in Arabic. It's not Greek or Latin. An Arabic Quran, without distortion. 39 to 28. Arabic names in the Quran are not transliterated. Other figures keep their Arabic Quranic forms. Musa, not Moses. Ibrahim, not Abraham. Nuh, not Noah. Why would S be treated differently? S is defined by Quranic lineage. The Quran explicitly defines him as S son of Maryam, S ibn Maryam. Jesus does not carry this embedded Quranic identifier. Names in Islam are meaning-bound in Islam. Names are theologically meaningful. Changing the name risks changing the concept. Islam rejects the Christian concept tied to Jesus. Islam denies sonship of God, crucifixion, divinity. Yet Jesus is inseparable from those doctrines historically. The Quran distinguishes its narrative from Christianity. The Quran deliberately reframes biblical figures. Using Jesus would re-import Christian theology into the Quran. No verse says, S is Jesus. The Quran never equates the Arabic name with the English Greek one. That equation comes from later translators, not Revelation. If names can change, Revelation loses authority. If S can become Jesus, then any Quranic word becomes negotiable. That collapses Quranic authority. Islamic tafsir never authorizes name replacement. Major tafsir works. Abar, Ibn Kathir explained, but never rename prophets. Allah's words cannot be altered. None can change the words of Allah. Kur, and Lu, Ibaishawu. Replacing S with Jesus would constitute alteration. S is part of Quranic linguistic miracle I. JZ, every word contributes to rhythm, rhyme, and structure. Jesus breaks Quranic phonetic balance. Islamic law forbids altering revealed wording in fiqh. Changing Quranic wording invalidates recitation. A prayer recited with Jesus instead of S is invalid. Jesus does not appear in any Arabic manuscript. No early Quran manuscript uses anything other than S. If names can change, Revelation loses authority. If S can become Jesus, then any Quranic word becomes negotiable. That collapses Quranic authority. S is used consistently, approximately 25 times. The Quran never varies his name. Consistency is intentional, not accidental. Islam treats Quranic Arabic as sacred. Arabic is not incidental. It is chosen. Thus we revealed it as an Arabic judgment. 1337. Using Jesus implies biblical continuity. Islam rejects. Islam explicitly corrects previous scriptures. Using Jesus implies continuity. Islam denies. Islamic dawah differentiates S from Christian Jesus. Muslim apologists often insist our S is not the Christian Jesus, and the names cannot be interchangeable.